The future of education. Now, many parents still believe after the pandemic, this entire education system will continue, where you continue to go to schools, colleges, and the universities, and you will continue to learn about the different subjects. You will get your certificates, and you will, what you call it as, get yourself qualified. Believe me, the world has changed. The libraries have got replaced by Google. You can search faster with Google than with any library in the world. The books have become videos, where the YouTube has become the largest search engine. People search everything with the videos. They no longer want to see it as text or images. They want to look at it as videos across. So therefore, the world has moved in terms of learning, and in terms of from libraries, schools and colleges, where the Google has become the guru, or any search engine has become the guru, and your learning is through the, what you call it as, one is through the app. There are different kinds of apps. Like for example, English, Tamil, learning anything, you can learn it through an app, or you can learn it through the video. The second most important thing is you can learn it anything very fast. You can learn about maths, about different things, science about different things, history about everything. You can go on learning in your speed across. You do not require a formal teacher to educate it. You can learn anything out of interest. You can sit down in your house and you can learn. You can learn at your convenience. You need not go to a school or a college to learn. You can learn anything with your convenience. Fourth most important revolution which has happened is you don't require a teacher. The concept of teacher itself is dead. The video is self-explanatory. The video is presented in such a manner that you do not require a teacher there to explain you, to make you understand anything. The idea of pedagogy itself is gone, where the app actually, every version, the presentation is much better. Actually, somebody told me that the 8th standard English of the Baiju apps is much better than my English teacher teaching to me across. So, the idea of teacher is gone, where the teacher is a metaphor for learning rather than a necessity for learning. You can learn anything without teachers. You can evaluate yourself by going through that. The other one is a repetition. In a teaching class and environment, you cannot repeat it. But whereas in internet, you can rerun the entire YouTube thing again and again, so that you will have a better understanding about that. And it is also short, crispy, palatable, and it is made for the readers. For example, I need not understand about the elegy written in a country's churchyard or a Newtonian physics or a calculus, whereas the video which is presented goes to extra effort to make me understand. So therefore, please understand, online education will become the future. You can go ahead and take the examination. Now there are fringe courses like digital marketing, artificial intelligence, where people go ahead and do it. In future, the regular courses will come into play. So please understand that the education is dying, education is dead, and many people are finding it very difficult in this pandemic to adjust. And also, smart devices will become the future. You don't need to write in a piece of paper. You don't need your answer sheets to be carried across. You can actually use the smart devices to answer. You can use the multiple questions. You can record your answers in the video and send it. There is no need of written communication. The idea of communication from the text to voice is moving on. From the voice, it is moved into video. You see the WhatsApp, initially you can text it. Now people use the audio to send the voice, and slowly it will get into the video part of it. So the point is, this is also a major changes, where people don't need to write about handwriting, and they don't need to worry. All they need to is to speak, and it will get recorded, and the voice softwares are very good, and it can be used in the multiple languages. You can actually use Google Translate into multiple languages across, you have devices which will help you to translate across. So please understand, we are moving in. Now, people ask about skill. People don't talk about whether which college you have come from. That is why you have the Microsoft founder who was resigned from the college, Harvard University. You have Mark Zuckerberg who was let go of the Harvard University. Please understand, letting off the school colleges and getting into work and making money has become the norm. Also, people earlier were talking about success in the late 30s and late 40s. Nowadays, most people are trying to become successful at the age of 21, 22, 23, and you have multi-millionaires like Kim Kardashian, and you have a sister who sells the beauty products through the internet across. So the game has changed completely. There has been a complete disruption which has happened due to the pandemic, but also this change was awaiting for a long period of time. The other point is you have the syllabus which has been set by the boards like the Central Board of School, Senior Secondary Education, UGC. All that will disappear in the future because you will have one global standard where everybody will try to relate with that. If you have medical examination, you need to answer it through FRCS. You need to write a separate thing in the USA. Future, all these things will disappear where you have a single board. Same thing with CA. All these things will happen, and same thing will happen with law. So the point is you can have the records of everything. You can have the video recording, audio recording, your podcasting. Like that, there are various means of storing the information which has changed completely. So don't be surprised that your grandchildren, your future children are all only trained with the e-ways and there is no school. The school structure will have to decimate itself. The teachers have to upgrade themselves. You cannot teach the same thing again and again. You will have to set your own school and curriculum where you will have the individual superstar teachers who teach to the mass of people across. And all those quota system also in India will future disappear, because if it is going to be an online education and online testing, you can accommodate as many people as possible. There is no space constraint across as a person. Therefore, we are living into a new world, we are moving into a new era of education itself. Learning will remain, but learning as a skill, learning as in usefulness will be remaining. Many of the old courses like BCom, MCom, BA, MA, BSc, Maths, and physics, chemistry, biology might disappear. You will have courses like in digital marketing, artificial intelligence, maybe in makeup, maybe how to make a cooking, all those things will happen. The government has to wake up and accept into a new reality and should not apply for the retired professor and get young people to find out how to integrate the modern devices and the modern education company into the mainstream education across. Education is getting privatized, education is getting globalized, education is getting more and more very good in presentation. Tomorrow you can have an entire school which is being managed by only one or two teachers, and you can have artificial intelligence where the papers can get corrected automatically and people can take exam at any point of time across. So therefore, please understand, we are into a disruptive mode with education. And most of the education institution in India are with religious people, and they will be shocked to find out that this thing has changed completely. So please brace yourself for major changes in the next coming 10 to 20 years. This pandemic, whether it goes or not, it has changed the dynamics, how we are going to work, how we are going to educate yourself. So please understand, we are living in a new era of education where learning is easy, acquiring a skill is easy, and making money out of the skill is easy. Don't try to push your children into pedagogy or please learn maths, physics, chemistry. Make them learn what they like, make them learn what they love, and the whole life is going to be different across. So I pray God that may all of you understand this dynamics is change, and therefore tomorrow people are going out and learning in different countries, different languages will be a common thing across. So we are heading into a new era of education where syllabus, teacher, learning, application of the learning and using the modern devices like computer, laptop, tabs are all going to happen across. Brace yourself for major changes where life has completely changed with the pandemic. Thank you so much.